Welcome to my channel Journal Vlogs, your destination for beautifully designed, editable journals, planners, and presentation templates. I'm your host Maria, and in today's episode, we're diving into how customizable templates, both for planning and presenting, can supercharge your productivity and simplify your life. Why templates matter. Whether you're a busy student, an entrepreneur, or someone trying to stay on top of daily life, templates give you a head start. With editable journals and planners, you don't need to waste time formatting. You can jump straight into setting goals, organizing tasks, and tracking progress. And now, we've expanded beyond journals, with professional PowerPoint templates designed to help you create polished, impactful presentations quickly and easily. How journals boost focus. Our daily and weekly planners are perfect for building focus and consistency. Use them to set daily intentions, track your habits, plan weekly tasks, reflect on your progress. They're fully editable in PDF, Canva, or doc formats, so you can use them digitally or print them out. Why you need editable PowerPoint templates. Now let's talk about presentations. Imagine you need a professional slideshow for a class, meeting, or product pitch, but you're short on time. That's where our editable PowerPoint templates come in. These templates are beautifully designed, 100% customizable, ready for personal, academic, or business use. Perfect for creating reports, proposals, lessons, or business overviews. You can edit them in minutes, match your branding, and make a great impression without needing to be a designer. How to get started. Getting started is easy. Visit our channel and review the journals and templates. Choose the one that fits your needs. Download instantly and customize in just a few clicks. We also offer tutorials and walkthroughs on how to use each product, so you're never stuck or confused. Thanks for listening to today's episode of Journal Vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, previews, and planning inspiration. Questions? Looking for a custom journal or presentation? Drop a comment or send us an email. We'd love to know. Until next time, keep planning, keep presenting, and keep creating the life you want. Sparkle.